Narconon Drug Rehabilitation. Choosing a drug rehab. Is the program composed of actions you feel good about? In the United States alone, there are more than 10,000 drug rehab centers. There are dozens of different approaches to treatment. It's possible that some of these approaches might not be acceptable to you if you knew there were other choices available. In some rehab programs, those in recovery are allowed to criticize others on the program and tell them what they are doing wrong. Electric shocks, nauseating drugs, or hallucinogens may be used as treatment methodologies. Counseling methods may be confrontational, directed at tearing down a person's defenses. To make matters worse, some rehabs do not let a person call home for their entire stay at the facility. Family may never know of their loved one's struggle until he gets home. To prevent this from happening to someone you love, make sure you understand the treatment methodology of a rehab. Ask questions. The intake personnel should be willing to take the time to explain each step of the program for you, how it works, and why it is part of treatment. If the staff will not help you understand the whole program, find another one that will. In our nearly 50 years of helping people recover from addiction, we have found it's important to include the family in the rehabilitation process. Families have a right to understand how our program works and why it is designed that way. And we're glad to help them. Find out what makes the Narconon program one of the most successful rehab programs in the world. We'd be happy to explain it to you. Call Narconon today at 1-800-775-8750.